Ladies and gentlemen, Nick here, Lyndhurst XM Army, and we just picked up a new sponsor, SLG Welding. They make aftermarket exhaust systems for the Can-Am, so you got Renegades, Outlanders, so they have a couple different styles. So you have the straight through style, as opposed to this one here is the 45-degree angle style, so it comes out obviously on a 45 outside of the XMR bumpers. Obviously it's only available for the XMR options. You can also get it in a straight through option where it comes out here, and then you can put a dry storage box here, which they also offer. I opted for the 45, it just takes up more room and I didn't really need a dry storage box. They also offer exhaust for the Outlanders. Obviously they're going to look different, but they're just going to come straight through on that side there. But yeah, so we ceramic coated that, so it's nice and black, the nice off sheen from the orange and the black. So we're going to fire it up, and we'll see what you guys think. Our SLG exhaust review. We're going to go next to the decibel levels. So before I had this exhaust, I had the RJWC MUD Edition Duals. They idled at approximately 92 decibels at idle. At 4,000 RPMs, they were up around 115. So we're just going to do a quick test and see what the decibels are for these ones. Okay, so I went online to the App Store, downloaded a decibel reader. So that's how it works there. So obviously as you can see, as I'm speaking, it goes up and down. So we're just gonna have a look here at the idle.